Cruelty.
So sad.
Is she eating it?
She's
Killing it. On my phone, chill here.
Come on, get. It's squeezing the poop out of it.
Ew, really? What am I watching?
You're watching The Circle of Life.
I am.
No one likes the way this smells. More like medicine, huh?
What is that?
It's the lotion they massage me with.
Got a big whiff of it. It smells like Vicks or...
It has like Vicks and stuff in it.
They gave you some.
This is what was left.
Oh. But that seems like it would relax you a lot.
I was ready for a nap.
Did you have a guy or girl?
I had a girl.
She massaged
Was
your
she
ass.
old? Was named Helga.
No, she was pretty thick. She was a very healthy girl.
Very healthy girl.
Your mom told him to give me a pretty girl, and they gave me an ugly one.